Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to talk about assignment operator. So in our last video we already talked about arithmetic operator. So what is assignment? I'm going to say here equal sign. We already know about this. This is called equal sign, right? But in Java this is called assignment. Okay, assign sign. Assign sign, okay? This is called equal sign. Equal. So this is called assign sign. So we'll actually implement our arithmetic operator with this assign sign. If I go to the W3 school, here you can see we have this is called assign operator, and then we have arithmetic operator with it plus, okay, minus, asterisk, division, modulus, and or. Okay, here I'm going to create a main method at first. So I'll say public static void m, right? If I press tab, it will create the function for me. Here I'm going to say int x is equal to 10, int y is equal to 2. Now what will happen here? Now the x current value will actually added with the y value. I mean y value will added with the x value. So the value will be here 12. If I run the code, you can see the result will be 12. So this is like x plus y. So the result of x plus y will be as same as x plus equal to y. So now let's go for the subtraction. We can say here x minus equal y. It will work like x minus y. Run the code and here you can see 8. Why? Because now x value is 10. So 10 minus 2 is equal to what? 8. Now let's go with multiplication, and that is like x asterisk equal to y. So it will show us 20 and it will act like x into y. If I run the code, here you can see the result 20. If I say here x divided equal to y, it will work like x divided by y. So the result will be 5. Here you can see 5. Now let's go for the modulus. Here you can see I will say x modulus equal to y. It will act like x modulus y. So the remainder will be 0. The result will be 0. If I run the code, you can see the result is 0. So I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.